I need to ask my sister because she learned about this. Maybe she know why my saving account and current account is different. Maybe she can explain it to me. Who knows? Let's go and ask.
Sister, I got a question. Why different account and current saving is not same?
What? You don't know?
Yes, I never know. I thought it's same.
Oh no.
Can you explain?
Yes, let me explain to you about the current account and the saving account.
Okay.
Current account refer to an active account. It also known as a financial account is a type of a deposit account maintained by individuals who carry out higher number of transactions with banks on a regular basis. In fact, there are no amount limit for transaction. It created by bank, request by applicant, and available for frequent or immediate access. Current account allow to make payments to creditor through the check facility offered by banks. It also do not provide interest and require higher minimum balance compared with saving account. Similarities, saving account and the current account. Anyone can open one basic savings and a current account per bank, while small and medium enterprise, known as a SME, is allowed to open only current account per bank. Other function to store money, it also have a convenience of first, over-the-counter transaction, second, automatic teller machine, ATM using the ATM or a debit card. Third is internet banking for bills payment, and lastly is interbank gyro transfer. The difference between the current account and the saving account. The purpose of current account is to conduct frequent business or a financial transaction. For the purpose of saving account is the deposit money to bank and earn interest. Account holder for the current account is opened by business or a firm that want to conduct various bank transactions, while the saving account is opened by individual for a short-term savings such as for vacation, make a big and a small purchases. The interest for the current account do not provide the interest on deposit, while the saving account is the interest paid by the account holder. And the minimum balance for the current account is higher compared with the saving account which is generally low. Example of current account bank. Bank Islam, Maybank, CIMB Bank, and RHB Bank. 1,400 years ago, similar statement was made. According from Al-Quran, that say, because trade is but like riba. However, the verse goes on to clarify the misconception by state that but God has permitted trading and forbidden riba. Different current account between the conventional bank and the Islamic bank. First, no specific underlying mode. Second, the bank can use fund for investment and other purpose regardless Sharia prohibition. For example, the bank can use the money uh, for whatever that they can do to get for the investment, although the investment is prohibited by the Sharia. Third is the free of cost service offered to customer as good as to interest. Islamic bank based on contract where bank liable to pay depositor money back on demand. It means the risk of fund lies with the bank and no added benefit to the client. However, client allowed to have those facility with offered across the board. Second, bank can use fund for investment or other purpose. It allows satisfaction of having money safely deposited with a bank with additional assurance, but bank not investing in activity against Sharia principle. For example, the Islamic bank can use the money for investment, but make sure that the activity that for the investment is not against the Sharia. Third, free of cost service of all customer, whether current or saving holder. The Islamic bank cannot charge customer for not maintaining minimum balance since the account is on the court basis.
Okay, thank you, sister, for your explanation. Now I know the difference between current account and saving account.
Oh, okay. If you have anything, you can ask me.